When it comes to facts about the human body, it's difficult to know where to start. There are so many incredible discoveries that range from the very small, like cells, to the very large, like organs. And sometimes our bodies can be strange, bizarre, incredible, gross, and scary all at the same time. Today, let's dive into 5 the creepiest, grossest, and most shocking science facts about the human body that will make you squirm and amaze you at the same time. Fact 1. Your house dust. Dead skin. Look around your room right now. See that layer of dust? That's mostly you. The average person sheds between 30 and 40,000 skin cells every minute. That adds up to about 8 pounds of skin every year. This dead skin makes up a huge portion of household dust, and it even feeds dust mites. So yes, you're literally living in a pile of your own dead skin. For those who suffer from allergies, this means that dusting might help alleviate some symptoms. But for everyone else, it means you should probably take a closer look at that dust bunny in the corner. It might just be your long-lost skin cells waving hello from their new home. Fact 2. Stomach acid can dissolve metal. Your stomach carries a dangerous weapon inside you right now. Your stomach acid is hydrochloric acid, strong enough to dissolve razor blades in lab tests. At a pH level of 1 to 2, your gut has the power to break down food, but it can also destroy metals. The only reason you aren't being eaten from the inside out is because your stomach constantly rebuilds its lining every few days to protect itself. Without that defense, your stomach would eventually digest you. But don't worry too much. Your stomach acids are there to help you break down food. They don't do any harm unless they get outside your gut. Then watch out. The reason your stomach acid doesn't hurt you is because your body regulates the pH levels of each organ based on what it needs. In the stomach, a low pH level helps break down food, so the acid stays where it needs to. If the acid does get outside your stomach, however, then it could burn through flesh and damage important parts of your body. You could experience pain, swelling, and severe damage to your internal organs. Not something you need to worry about every day, but definitely something that proves your body is both amazing and terrifying at the same time. Fact 3. Longest hiccup ever. Imagine hiccuping for an hour. Now imagine hiccuping for 68 years straight. Charles Osborne holds the Guinness World Record for the longest bout of hiccups in history, hiccuping an estimated 430 million times in his life. In 1950, the man from Missouri started hiccuping so severely that he couldn't stop. He went to doctors who performed treatments that ranged from the sensible to the insane. Unfortunately, none of them worked. Charles was eventually given a pacemaker in an attempt to stop his hiccups, which worked for about 2 months. After that, the hiccups came back. He lived with this condition for the rest of his life until he passed away in 2007 at the age of 79. Charles experienced a wide variety of emotions throughout his life due to his constant hiccups. He felt angry, frustrated, embarrassed, depressed, and even hopeless at times. There were positives, though. He became a local celebrity and traveled the world to meet other people who had similar experiences. No one knows exactly why Charles developed such a serious case of hiccups, and it goes to show just how strange and unpredictable the human body can be. Fact 4. Tongue bacteria jungle. Your mouth is home to billions of tiny creatures right now. In fact, your entire body contains trillions of bacteria that live inside and on you. Most of them are harmless, but some can cause bad breath. The human tongue alone holds over 700 species of bacteria. Every kiss is basically a bacteria exchange program. You share your oral microbes with your partner whenever you lock lips. This is usually not a problem, especially if you brush your teeth regularly. But for those who don't practice proper dental hygiene, the exchange of bacteria can lead to some problems. That's because every person has a different set of bacteria in their mouth. When you kiss someone, you expose yourself to new types of microbes that you might not be able to fight off. This means you could develop an infection. Bad breath is another concern. Imagine kissing someone and immediately noticing they have stinky breath. It's not a good experience for anyone involved. Luckily, it's easy to prevent. Regular brushing and flossing can keep your mouth healthy and free of stinky breath. Just remember, though, if you want to share a kiss with someone, they're sharing way more than just saliva with you. Fact 5. Corpse wax. While alive, here's one for nightmares. Your body can start making corpse wax while you're still breathing. Adipocere, known as corpse wax, forms when body fat breaks down under certain conditions. The condition is extremely rare, but doctors have seen cases of adipocere form while the patient is still alive. Imagine touching your chest and feeling a hard lump. Then picture that lump getting bigger, blocking your arteries and killing you. That's a scary scenario, but it has happened to real people suffering from severe bacterial infections. Adipocere is typically found in people who have heart or kidney disease, liver disease, chronic alcoholism, or tuberculosis. The body temperature needs to stay between 91 and 96 degrees Fahrenheit for adipocere to form. Once it does, it grows at a rate of 1 inch per week. Yes, you heard that correctly. This wax-like substance grows on your body faster than your fingernails. Eventually, it fills up your blood vessels, hardening and blocking the flow of blood. It creates a waxy blockage in the arteries, causing a heart attack and death. Basically, you could turn into a human candle without ever lighting the wick. Imagine telling your friends you died from turning into a candle. They'd either think you're joking or call you crazy. Either way, you wouldn't be there to correct them. Some things in life are better left unknown, like how our bodies decompose after we die. Sometimes it's best not to know what's happening beneath the surface. But other times, knowledge is power. And the more we learn about our bodies, the more we understand ourselves and the world around us. So next time you look in the mirror, remember that you're looking at a complex machine filled with chemicals and reactions. You're a walking miracle. Just don't forget to appreciate the outside, too. We're not just what's inside. We're also what's on top. And that's pretty cool, too. So there you have it. 5 creepy science facts about the human body that prove we're stranger, grosser, and scarier than we imagine. Which one disturbed you the most? The dust made of your skin? The hiccups that lasted 68 years? Or the idea of a parasite whispering in your brain? Let us know in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more fun facts. And if you want to learn more about the human body, check out our other videos about the science behind anxiety, the psychology of fear, or the biology of love. Until next time, remember, you're awesome, and so is your body. Thanks for watching.